Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked with budgets, travel expenses, or global sales, you know how tricky it can be to add up amounts in different currencies. In today's tutorial, I'll show you a super practical way to sum values with various currencies in Google Sheets so you can get clear apples-to-apples totals in no time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to convert and sum different currencies, making your spreadsheet smarter and way easier to analyze. All right, let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to set up your sample data. Go ahead and open a fresh Google Sheet. In cells A1 through E1, type these column titles: item, amount, currency, exchange rate to USD, and finally amount in USD. Under these headers, enter your data row by row. For example, you might have a laptop that costs 1,000 euros, a monitor for 800 US dollars, a printer costing 70,000 Japanese yen, a desk for 1,200 Canadian dollars, and a mouse priced at 950 Philippine pesos. Next to each, note their respective exchange rates to USD, like 1.1 for euros, 1 for US dollars, 0.007 for Japanese yen, and so on. If you need, you can find these up-to-date rates online, but feel free to use my sample numbers as a starting point. Take your time here. Getting these details right is really important because the rest of our calculations depend on them. Now let's convert every amount into USD so we're working in a single currency. Click into cell E2, which is right beside the first item. Here, where the magic happens, type this formula: equals B2 times D2. That's +ta asterisk data. What this does is multiply your original amount by the exchange rate, instantly converting, say, 1,000 euros at a rate of 1.1 into 1,100 US dollars. This approach ensures every item, no matter its original currency, is normalized to USD for easy adding later. Hit enter to confirm and you'll see the converted amount pop up. But we don't want to stop at just one row. To apply this to all your items, find the little blue square at the bottom right corner of E2. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag that down through E6. If you ever get stuck, remember, dragging the fill handle is like copying a formula efficiently to each row. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the calculation for each item, pulling in the right amount and exchange rate every time. All right, now for the grand finale, let's sum all these converted values to see your total in USD. Select cell E7 just beneath your list of converted amounts. Here, type this formula, equals sum to E6. What this does is add up every value from cell E2 to E6, giving you a single comprehensive total in US dollars. This step is crucial. By converting first and then summing, you're ensuring accuracy. Summing foreign currencies before converting can give you misleading numbers, but this way, you're comparing apples to apples. And that's it. With just a couple of simple formulas and a bit of thoughtful setup, you can easily handle sums across multiple currencies in Google Sheets. Don't worry if this took a few extra moments. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. This trick saves a ton of time if you're managing international budgets, travel invoices, or just trying to get your finances under control across different countries. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, go ahead and give this video a like. If you have any questions or if you run into trouble with your own sheets, drop me a comment below. I'm always here to help. And if you want more clear and useful tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.